But I've just come back from a holiday. I can't go on another holiday. I do make him wear stuff on gunpoint. There will be signs that I will wear Burberry clothing normally, and that's when you'll know. ये तो मैंने नहीं खरीदी हूँ guys. ये शेरन मेरे पैसे बर्बाद करती है. Oh, this is my favorite item. I think नहीं fit हुई ना, ये चप्पल से मारूंगी तेरे को. हम सब के पास ये चप्पल है at this point. This is like जन्नत after that गंदा chocolate. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are doing Korea haul part 2, not 4, 2. I have done so much shopping in South Korea because that's literally what that place is for. I think Southeast Asian countries are paradise jannat for shopaholics, and South Korea definitely for a beauty lover like me. I got so many beautiful, amazing, high-tech products when it comes to skincare जो मैंने सारा कुछ अपने last vlog में दिखाया K Beauty Finds. And in today's video, I'm going to show you everything from the Korean fashion that I got and food. Fashion and food are the topics of today's haul video. If you are interested कि मैंने क्या कुछ खरीदा है, कैसे different types के खाने और उनका fashion कैसे होता है, then continue watching. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget the bell icon right next to you so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Alright, okay. Now, let's first talk about Korean fashion, okay? I am not the right height or the right audience or general population for the Korean fashion market because I am like an hourglass figure and I am 5'11". I don't fall under their body type or even their average height. So, जो उनके कपड़े थे वो मुझे शॉप करने के लिए मुझे पता था कि I'm only shopping, I'm going to wear it there and I'm not going to wear it in India mostly. Because I mostly in India, I wear trousers, full length pants and shirts for office. I wear jeans and top. I do crop tops and skirts and I do like very waist hugging, like tight fitting. जैसे मैंने अभी कपड़े पहने एकदम बॉडी हगिंग कपड़े पहनती हूँ मैं ताकि मेरा फिगर भी मस्त लगे और मेरी हाइट को भी वो एक्सेंचुएट करे. अभी ऐसे कपड़े मुझे पता है कि उधर के लोग नहीं पहनते हैं. वहाँ के लोग बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से ड्रेस करते हैं. एक्सट्रीमली मॉडेस्ट फैशन, एक्सट्रीमली न्यूट्रल फैशन, वेरी ओवरसाइज. दे डू नॉट फ्लैटर देयर बॉडी एट ऑल. दे वेयर एकदम क्लोज, इतना 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 नेक पहनते हैं वो लोग, एकदम बटन लगा के एकदम मॉडेस्ट और लेयर भी करते हैं. लाइक फुल स्लीव शर्ट पहनेंगे, उसके ऊपर स्पेगेटी पहनेंगे, उसके ऊपर जीन्स पहनेंगे, जीन्स के ऊपर स्कर्ट पहनेंगे. तो इतना अतरंगी लगता है अपनी आंखों को क्योंकि हमने ऐसा देखा ही नहीं. इंडिया में भी जो लोग ऐसा पिंटरेस्ट से कोरियन फैशन देख के पहनते हैं ना, वो भी सही कोरियन फैशन नहीं है. बिकॉज आई हैड सीन कोरियन फैशन ऑनलाइन व्हेन आई वाज लुकिंग इट अप ऑन Pinterest and stuff, and that is not what the people, the locals over there are wearing or you can purchase over there, which is why I realized when I was dressing up from their stores, people were finding it obnoxious that I was wearing such clothes because everyone was just hating, blackout hating कि सारा आपकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस को क्या हो गया, आपने कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, आपके पास इतना पैसा है तो भी आप ऐसे कपड़े पहन रहे हो. Firstly, it's not about money. I just have to say this. Dressing up is my choice and it's about how I am feeling in that country. I wanted to dress like how they dress. I wanted to try and experiment because why not? I'm in a new country. Nobody knows me there. One amazing thing about the people over there is they do not stare. They really mind their own business no matter where you are, in a small alley या बड़े रास्ते पे या मेट्रो में या ट्रेन स्टेशन पे, कोई भी जगह कोई तुमको घूर के नहीं देखता. ऐसे नहीं देखता कि अरे तुम कोई अतरंगी हो, मेरी स्किन टोन उनसे अलग है, कुछ भी नहीं. Like whatever I was wearing, absolutely nobody stared at me, nobody looks at you obnoxiously. And I just have to say, for me over there is like, you know, when you see white people come to India and they dress up in kurti and shorts or they'll wear like kurti with harem pants, print on print, कुछ भी पहनते हैं वो लोग. उनको लगता है इंडियंस ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं क्योंकि वो लोग लोकल शॉपिंग करते हैं फिर वैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं. It's not going to look good on them. It's not going to look apt on them. They are not wearing it correctly, but they are trying Indian culture and they think they are experimenting with fashion because they are traveling. So I am much like that in a foreign country and you have to look at it from that lens that I wanted to have fun with my fashion because अब मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ यार, मैं लिटरली रोज बोरिंग कपड़े पहनती हूँ. मैं रोज ग्रे ट्राउजर, ब्लैक शर्ट, ब्लैक पैंट, व्हाइट शर्ट, ऐसे कपड़े पहन के रोज जाती हूँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यूरोपियन फैशन सूट्स मी वेरी वेल, लाइक ट्रेंच कोट्स एंड टर्टल नेक्स, एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ फैशन दैट आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद. इट लुक्स ग्रेट ऑन माई बॉडी टाइप और मैं बहुत अच्छी दिखती हूँ यूरोप में, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ जनरली ऑल्सो आई ड्रेस. बट हियर इट वॉज डिफरेंट, बट आई वॉज हैविंग fun while doing it. Absolutely nobody over there stared at me, looked at me weird, made me feel very comfortable, and I was feeling really nice wearing these clothes. Still, I started posting about it on the internet, and then people were like, कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, इतना पैसा हो के भी तुम ऐसे कपड़े खरीद रहे हो. मुझे खरीदना है, मैं one time पहनूंगी तो भी मुझे खरीदना है. I might just give all of this, most of these clothes away to people who are that size, and I might never wear these clothes again, or some of them I will recycle, but it's my choice. I just have to say that. And accessories and food, maybe you'll enjoy, maybe you will enjoy this haul or not, but you have to remember that your opinion has to come from a wider lens, that I'm a tourist in another country और मुझे वो country का culture देखना है. मुझे सिर्फ उधर जाके भी bodycon dresses और shirt pant नहीं पहनना है. ठीक है, enough with the rant. I have this chair full of stuff of clothes, and of course this is for my Sara squad that did enjoy my fashion. A lot of people did give me a lot of credit also. Okay, Sara, you look so cute and you are my people. Okay, I'm not saying don't criticize me. I'm just saying broaden your mind and understand where I'm coming from before you open your mouth. Okay, first things first, I got this cute cap, which okay, I can wear it, otherwise my hair will get spoiled. It says Brooklyn. It's a blue, navy blue cap. I didn't get it for me, I got it for Reeth. So Reeth just got a cap from Singapore that says California, so I thought I'll get him Brooklyn because he also has the New York Yankees cap जो मैं उसके लिए New York से लाई थी. So now he has New York, Brooklyn and California. Cute. Then now coming to, मैं सिर्फ ये pile में जाने वाली हूँ guys. I don't have any order in this particular pile. This cute spaghetti top is from a fashion house called 8 Seconds. I didn't get a chance to wear it there, but I can definitely wear it here. This is like a plaid grey neutral. These people wear a lot of neutrals. Again, this should be layered with a shirt inside. अगर उनके जैसे कपड़े पहने तो basic white shirt या white t-shirt के साथ वो लोग पहनते हैं इसको. This was 34,900 Korean won. 8 Seconds is a very popular, like it's an H&M over there. ये मैंने swimsuit H&M से ही उठाई. Like you can tell that I am not their size because my boobs don't fit. Bro, they were popping in this. I could not pose in this swimsuit from front because it's too tiny for me. This is like the largest size possible udhar ka, and still it's extremely small for me. So this is like their average size of everything is very different to mine, but I had forgotten to carry a swimsuit from India, and we had this beautiful swimming pool in Busan, and Busan was a beachy place, so I was like, okay, why not? You know what? I'm going to wear this again. My tits might not become smaller, but I'll wear them again, like without front pictures, just like I did. And to get like a cover up for it, I purchased this cover up. I didn't try it because H&M 5 मिनट में बंद हो रहा था, and I had to literally be the last customer there and खरीद के निकलना था क्योंकि अगले दिन हम बुसान के लिए निकल रहे थे. So got all of this at the Coex Mall in case you watched that video. And this beautiful dress is like a cover up. Again, doesn't even cover my butt because it's short. I did not like try this and buy this. I wanted to exchange it, but we never got a chance to go to H&M again. It's very tight also for me, so I might give this to Kainat or somebody like who's short. Like I will never be able to wear this. I will have to wear another cover up with that क्योंकि मेरे को arms पे भी tight है. Like मेरे लिए top हो रहा है, मेरे लिए dress नहीं. This is literally my torso's height. And if I wear this, this is literally like a top ka size for me. So yeah, this I will have to give away. It's a nice beach cover up. So how freaking cute are these pajama shorts? This is a part of a quad set that I got from Uniqlo. Very very cute quad set. It has like a shirt and a top. A shirt and a pajama shorts and very soft material. Uniqlo again, these are brands वैसे भी मैं इंडिया में भी उधर से शॉपिंग करती हूँ, but it will be more inexpensive in Korea because Japan, Korea are the house of these brands and it's very affordable over there. So थोड़ा तो प्राइस में डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. Okay, same Uniqlo से मैंने same variant में एक और beige ये whitish off white color का shorts with a black piping shirt खरीदा है. So I really do like this also. Very very soft material. मैंने 2-3 बार पहन के इसको वॉश भी किया है. Absolutely love the fabric on these. These two were the night suits I was wearing on my trip. Okay, next I got this simple white camisole from 8 Seconds again. It was 29,900 Korean won. Soft material. Oh no, this is Uniqlo, right? Yeah, this is Uniqlo, not 8 Seconds. Linen is a very good, like Uniqlo does linen very nicely. So this will be great for the Indian summers again. This also I didn't end up wearing there, but यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मुझे. summers में काम भी आएगा. अभी humidity इतनी ज़्यादा है, so I will wear it here. Okay, next I got something for Janu. I got him these sleeveless jersey thingies. He loves sleeveless jerseys. jersey's because he has really nice ripped up arms, so the arms look very good. So for to the gym, so he wears that only. Ghar pe bhi also he mostly wears sleeveless jerseys. So I got him this that says surfing dogs enjoying time, and then there's a surfing dog on the back. How cute is that? It's from this store called Troubadour, जो हमारे होंगडे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ही था, शॉपिंग स्ट्रीट पे जहाँ पे हम रुके हुए थे. एंड दिस शॉप वाज ओपन टिल लाइक 2 o'clock 3 o'clock इन द नाइट. तो रात को 12 बजे हम उठते थे और फिर शॉपिंग जाते थे. लास्ट डे पे हमने ऐसा फटाफट जुटा हमने देख के रखा था. एंड देन आई थिंक आई फॉरगॉट माय कार्ड वन डे व्हेन वी वेंट. सो देन ऑन द लास्ट डे वी जस्ट वेंट एंड वी वर लाइक ओके व्हाट इज लेफ्ट एंड वी क्विकली परचेज्ड दिस white में, and I got him one more in black color also that says Aloha. It says na Aloha. Yeah, it says Aloha over here. Abhi he's not home to give you like a try on how it. I don't even know how it looks on him because abhi tak he's not come back only, so I don't have any idea how it looks on him. अगर उसपे नहीं अच्छा लगा तो anybody wants they all can comment and I will send it to you all. उसको दिखाया on video call. He's like, oh it's too much print. Like the नाटक of this man. Like एक तो ला रहे thank you नहीं बोलना था. लोगों के आजकल बहुत नखरे बढ़ गए I must say. Then I got this from another clothing store that was open after 12 o'clock because that's my jam, you know, since in Mumbai I don't shop, तो वहाँ पे midnight के बाद भी shopping करना जरूरी है. एक cute सी denim skirt जो free size लिखा था उधर, और फिर भी जो free size लिखा था वो मुझे नहीं हुए काफी कपड़े, क्योंकि उनका free size और मेरे free size में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. बट ये मेरी कमर पे चढ़ गया और मस्त लग रहा था मुझ पे. It's from a brand called Another Awesome. This was 39,900 Korean won. It's a really nice quality denim skirt which has layers to it. Again, this is not the usual length for me. It would be full length on an average Korean girl, but for me it's falling below my knees and in a weird length, but I think it will look really nice if I style it with an oversized shirt in their style or with a nice bodycon top with a nice bodysuit. This will look really great on another one of my holidays, a beach holiday or something. Oh, I was looking for this shirt. This is so soft. Oh my god, I think of this t-shirt sometimes because it's from H&M and it's so भाई H&M तो इतना bias है ना, इंडिया में सब बेकार क्वालिटी के कपड़े भेजता है और ये सब जगहों पे इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी के कपड़े आते हैं H&M में. It is so biased that I cannot shop from Indian H&M anymore, knowing that if I buy from there my clothes are going to tear in a couple of like this. If you touch this fabric, it's a basic white t-shirt, but if you touch this fabric you'll be like ये H&M का कपड़ा है. like अगर आप इंडिया से खरीदते हो तो H&M in India is really like just expensive for the fabric that they are selling us. Over here it's extremely good quality fabric, so soft, so nice, and the fit on me also is really nice. I wore this on the drive back from Busan to Seoul. उस दिन मैं vlog नहीं कर रही थी. It's in the size large and it fit me so nicely. Actually बहुत सारे stains भी लगे, इसको धोना पड़ेगा. And मैं इसके सपने देखती हूँ क्योंकि इतना soft है. अब मैं इसको रोज पहनूंगी. ये actually सब कपड़े हमने सूटकेस में रखे थे, तब तक आपको दिखाती नहीं, मैं पहनती भी नहीं हूँ इंडिया में. तो सोचो मेरी शिद्दत कितनी ज्यादा है कंटेंट बनाने के लिए. अभी जब आपको दिखा दिया तो अब मैं सब पहन सकती हूँ. दिस टॉप तो आई वोर इन साउथ कोरिया. इट्स एक्चुअली वन ऑफ क्राउड फेवरेट टॉप इज दिस. एवरीबody loved this outfit on me. In fact, when I did the color analysis at TT, they said purple is the color, like this exact shade of purple is what complements my skin tone perfectly, and I was wearing that color the same day. So she's like, you're dressing perfectly. I was like, thanks. So Y2K fashion pro max है ये. This is from the brand 8 seconds and like you can see ये लोग डबल लेयर पहनते हैं, ऐसी बेचते भी है और ऐसी पहनते भी है. मतलब इसमें फुल स्लीव्स बाहर है और अंदर ये टैंक टॉप है और इनका फैशन ऐसे ही है. और इसी के साथ दे विल वेयर लाइक अ डेनिम विच इज नॉट फुल लेंथ, उनके घुटनों के नीचे आके खत्म हो जाएगी वैसी लाइक केपरी वाला डेनिम जो हमारा पहले 90s में हम पहनते थे. दैट इज व्हाट दिस पीपल आर करंटली वेयरिंग. लाइक Y2K fashion is basically like the 90s fashion having come back, right? So this is a very Y2K top. Actually really like the fit on me and I do see myself wearing this again. Actually now that I go to see, I will wear everything only that I bought. Okay, this is so cute. It's a spaghetti top and I wore this with a white full sleeve top on the last day of my Korea trip. It was one of my personal favorite outfits on me. It was Reed's favorite outfit on me. Like it was like experimental, जहाँ पे मैंने लेयर किया था फुल स्लीव टॉप के साथ, मैंने ये चढ़ाया था और मेरी जो बामेन की स्कर्ट है उसमें भी ये सेम फैब्रिक था. बट अब मैं इसको नॉर्मली निपल टेप्स के साथ पहनूंगी या फिर बहुत शियर होगा तो स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा के साथ पहनूंगी. एंड देन आई वांट टू सी हाउ दिस लुक्स ऑन मी. बट आई विल डेफिनेटली बी रीवेयरिंग दिस टू मे बी लाइक अ डिनर इन Mumbai or to a beach holiday. I genuinely need a beach holiday. I was just telling my team that I need a beach holiday. But I've just come back from a holiday. I can't go on a holiday. Okay, मैं my problems are real, okay guys. Now I got Janu this oh, I didn't show him this. I got him this beautiful Burberry sweater. It's original, it's vintage Burberry. Oh my god, vintage shopping in South Korea is so real. I'm only showing you all what I got for Reet and for me, because आपको फिर ऐसा लगेगा मम्मी पापा के लिए कुछ नहीं लिया. No. I bought for them, I gave it to them. I have bought stuff from mom from Charles and Keith. मम्मी के लिए फैशन में कुछ नहीं लिया है मैंने. उनके लिए ब्यूटी लिया जो मैंने आप लोगों को लास्ट व्लॉग में दिखाया. सबरीना एंड मम्मी के लिए चप्पल लिए which I will show you from Charles and Keith airport from Singapore. Within this video you will see what I got for Sabrina and mummy also. And for dad I didn't get anything because he's an Indian dad and he shouts at me if I buy him anything. So only when I take him on holidays I buy for him. Okay, yeah, so this I got for Janu because again Reet also, I have to say this, like Reet hates when I buy anything for him, but I purposely to irritate him I buy anyway, and then he wears it and he looks very good in whatever I buy for him. So history is proven कि जो भी मैं उसके लिए खरीदती हूँ उस पर बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो इसलिए मैं उसके लिए कंटिन्यू करती हूँ खरीदना. Like ये स्वेटर जस्ट इमेजिन क्रिसमस पे कितना मस्त लगेगा. I will make him wear this on Christmas only. Make him wear sounds like I do make him wear stuff on gunpoint. This is so soft and really woolen. He's actually going to hate wearing this in Bombay because it's a thick fabric with a thick winter. This it has the I love Burberry clothes. I feel like when I'm like super duper rich, like with generational wealth, I will wear Burberry clothes. Like abhi to nahi, but tab us amiri pe you will know, there will be signs that I will wear Burberry clothing normally, and that's when you'll know that I'm super duper rich. But now Reet can wear this because it's from a vintage store, so it was not expensive. I don't remember how. Oh, there is a price tag. Wait, how much? This is 125 Korean won, 125k. So I'll put the conversion over here. It has a button over here and it has the logo. It's extremely subtle luxury, not over the top. Very nice. You know, if Reet will not be back by the time this vlog also goes up, otherwise I would have put a try on image. वो Christmas पे पहनेगा तो आप vlog में देख लेना. Okay, I will make sure that he wears it on Christmas. This I got for myself. It's an oversized t-shirt that says Seoul, Korea. Very touristy. I didn't wear it in Seoul because that would be stupid. I will wear it here now. And behind is a Seoul का गोचुचैंग नहीं Gyeongbokgung Palace बना है और ऐसे उनका सोल टावर वगैरह बना है. बट ही अच्छा कलर है, मुझे ये कलर मेरे पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस तो शेर. आई टोल्ड आई डोंट वांट, आई वोंट वेयर. आई डिडंट वेयर. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? दिस इज लाइक अ नैपकिन. इसको टेप कॉफी टेबल पे लगाएंगे. ये तो मैंने नहीं खरीदी हूँ गाइस. ये शेरन मेरे पैसे बर्बाद करती है. 25,000 कोरियन वॉन फॉर दिस. ओके, सो बेसिकली लाइक अ टॉप ऐसा साइड से स्विम सूट पहन सकते हैं इसके अंदर. बीच हॉलिडे पे अच्छा लगेगा. थिंक इट्स टाइम दैट आई गो ऑन अ बीच हॉलिडे. It's time, guys. It is time. My mother's going to kill me. Alright, this is a beautiful skirt I got from Uniqlo because it was giving very cottagecore aesthetic. Again, skirts are big in the Korean fashion, so it's elastic. Now, the thing about buying skirts over there, even though I'm buying the size large or extra large, उनकी कमर ऐसी है और तो उन लोग ने स्कर्ट का लाइन, ए लाइन जो अंदर की लाइनिंग है ना, उन्होंने वैसी काटी है. ऐसे नहीं काटी है जैसे नॉर्मली स्कर्ट का. लाइक बाहर से इसका स्ट्रक्चर आप देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि वो ऐसा कटा हुआ है, बट अंदर से लाइनिंग की वजह से इट विल फिट लाइक दिस एंड देन गो लाइक दिस. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ weird fitting on somebody like me who has a big butt, but actually this looks good if I wear it high waist. So I did try wearing it over there, but मेरे पास जो भी टॉप्स उधर थे उसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा था. मैंने एक पिंक कार्डिगन लिया, मैं सोची उसके साथ पहनूंगी, but इतना मजा नहीं आया तो I didn't wear it there. यूनिक्लो की है, अच्छा फैब्रिक है. मैं 2-3 बार ट्राई करूंगी इसको स्टाइल करने बॉम्बे में. नहीं मजा आया तो दे दूंगी, मेरी बहन को दे दूंगी. Then this jeans I wore with that Y2K वाला top, which my audience loved this particular outfit the most on the internet, and that's the best part. I want to experiment so that मेरे सारे आउटफिट्स में से आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा आप बताओ. अगेन जो सेम चीज मैंने आपको स्कर्ट के साथ बोली वही प्रॉब्लम है. इधर इलास्टिक है डेनिम में, एंड ये डेनिम का नाम था बैगी जीन्स, बलून जीन्स. सो आई थॉट ऐसी जाएगी, बट उनकी कमर वैसी है ही नहीं, तो इनके लिए शायद इट विल गो लाइक दिस, बट फॉर मी इट वाज गोइंग स्ट्रेट. इट्स स्ट्रेट फिटिंग, बट आई डिड रियली लाइक द लेंथ ऑफ दिस. इट्स गोइंग फुल लेंथ ऑन मी, व्हिच इज सरप्राइजिंग, एंड इट वाज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड 8 seconds. Then I got this Calvin Klein jacket from another vintage store. Like I said, vintage shopping in South Korea is amazing. Now if I was buying this jacket in a Calvin Klein store, it would easily cost me more than 25,000-30,000, 7,000 rupees from a vintage store. It's a nice heavy jacket with not too heavy but a good amount of weight. जहाँ मैं European summer holidays लेती हूँ, like this is my kind of shopping that I do. So when I go to European summer, I will need something like this because वहाँ पे कभी भी बारिश हो जाती है. So it's really nice layering. It also has padding on the shoulders, so it gives me that structure. I was very wearing it कोरिया में भी रात को ठंडी हो जाती थी तो हम लोग नीचे होते थे तो मैं यही पहनती थी. Really nice, warm and will also protect me from the rains. Love the fit of this also on me. Then this is also a top which is very mummy coded. My mom loves wearing clothes like this, like very loose baggy. I have ऐसा white color in India ना, अभी पहनी थी मैंने परसों. Wow, okay. Same thing I have in India. It's Uniqlo linen. I think Uniqlo gifted that to me. No, they gifted me. हाँ PR में आया था. Okay. So this one I got from Uniqlo only in another color which is like a salmon pink color. Since I have white, I think I'll give this to mom. Yeah, I got another pink from 8 Seconds. This is a cardigan. Very cute cardigan that I got from 8 Seconds. Very soft and looks really nice on me. It's very modest. Like you can see the neckline, the full sleeve. Okay, this cute little skirt also I got from Another Awesome. It's elastic, it's cute and really frilly. I thought I would get a chance to wear it there but नहीं मिला chance पहनने का. Again beach holiday पे बड़ी cute लगेगी. बहुत short skirt है. It's almost like booty short but won't wear it in India. Will wear it abroad. Then I got this cute top which will look really nice on events. Also I wore this in Busan and again this was I think my second most loved outfit by my audience. So this was a thick material का कपड़ा. I think ये 8 seconds से ही है in the size large. Very nice fabric, very different fabric. इसमें गर्मी भी नहीं हो रही थी because it has like ventilation through the buttons. It has pockets and it's extremely adorable. I wore it with this brown skirt in Busan which is again full length, frilly, very soft and comfortable. Pretty much the same issue with this skirt also कि कितनी भी stretchable हो कमर पे थोड़ी tight है like bum के around और फिर flow होती है. But ये सब तो बहुत काम आएगा, मेरी holidays पे काम आएगा और मेरा wardrobe अच्छे से revamp हो गया है. अब ये सेम चीजें मैं सेम पेयरिंग में नहीं अलग करके पहनूंगी which I love कि मेरे पास अभी कितनी वैरायटी आ गई है. Now I got this. Oh my god, this is my favorite item from the whole of the clothing shopping. I love this skirt. I felt like it's a vintage Zara and it has an elastic band and look at this pleat. It's so structured. The leather is so premium and so nice and इसमें कितने textures हो रहे हैं. Elastic है, फिर leather है, फिर lace है, फिर I am quirky like that. I like to experiment with my fashion. Love this skirt and I'm gonna wear it so much to events and style it in so many different ways. I think like easily if you saw this in like a Burberry or Maison Margiela or something you would pay like lakhs for this. Like I think this is that piece. वो तो अच्छा मुझे ये vintage store की shopping में तो बहुत मजा आया. Like nothing doing. अगली बार अगर मैं कभी भी कोरिया गई I will just do shopping and मैं vegetarian खाना खाऊंगी क्योंकि I have also understood कि vegan food is more over there because they follow Buddhism. More than halal food you will get vegan food in South Korea. So vegetarians, good news for you all. Like a lot of people were asking me veg मिलेगा. मैं बोली मैंने तो नहीं ढूंढा तो मुझे नहीं मालूम. But my friend was telling me who goes there quite a lot that you get vegan more than halal food over there. So that's a good thing. Now this top was a very impulsive buy because it was one of those days that I literally had nothing to wear the next day and clothing stores were shutting. So from Myeongdong itself in one vintage store, I think I overpaid for this. It was like 5,000 for this Adidas crop. तो उन्होंने ना जैकेट काटा है, ओरिजिनल Adidas का जैकेट उन लोगों ने काटा है जेरेमी स्कॉट कलेक्शन का एंड उन्होंने ये बनाया है with this dory and I found it very like innovative that they did this. For my boobs it was a little like I think small in size because while it is free size and adjustable, my boobs were spilling a little from the side which I was not comfortable with. I'm not saying it's my favorite outfit from the trip. I got the most criticism for this outfit. I understand where that came from because मुझे खुद को भी इतना नहीं अच्छा लगा ये outfit. But it was one of those days कि मेरा पहला दिन मैंने जो पहनी थी उसके बाद मेरे पास अगले दिन पहनने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था. तो ये रात को हमने ये म्योंगडोंग से खरीदा और फिर जो स्कर्ट मेरे पास ऑप्शन में थी उसके साथ मैंने पहन लिया. So it wasn't my favorite outfit. I will try to rewear it but I might also not. For my boobs and like my size it's not right. फिर रात को तो मैं इतनी थक गई थी. Uniqlo में I changed. No, that was the day I bought that peach Uniqlo का oversized shirt and then halfway through the day I was like my boobs need to breathe. So I just bought a bra and a top and those jeans in the coex small and I changed because I was that uncomfortable in that outfit. Then this is my second favorite item from the shopping. It's this Balmain Paris skirt. It's Balmain Paris. It's original Balmain Paris and they have modified the skirt. So it's actually only like ऐसा short booty skirt but उन लोग ने ये कपड़ा डाल के उसको modify किया. ऐसे उन लोग बहुत करते हैं. They modify these like luxury finds and I really find that very artistic. So that also sets you apart. It's so nice with the zip, the rustic zip detail and it looked also so good on me. Like all this while like this I absolutely loved. Like even though this outfit was also judged heavily on the internet, it was one of my favorite outfits on me because so out of my comfort zone and so good this skirt was looking on me. I see myself wear this skirt a lot more. In fact with that top only, probably without the shirt inside I will wear it. Now this I don't know if I will wear because it's not the most flat. I will try to wear this to office and see मेरे पे कैसा लगता है. मैंने उधर पहनने के लिए लिया था. It's a grey oversized shirt because this is the kind of clothes these people wear. And then इसके ऊपर इन लोगों ने ये camisole दिया है. तो ऐसा ही they expect you to wear. ये camisole तो अलग से मैंने पहनने से रही because it's too like very very badly structured for my body type. Even the shirt, I'm not like a fan of this. If I would have worn it there, probably it would make sense. But I don't know. अब now I'm in hindsight thinking ये क्यों खरीदा. But ठीक है, अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं. तो ये ऐसे मतलब full sleeve shirt है, उसके ऊपर ये ऐसे पहनना है. Not a fan. Fabric is good. Like I'll give it to somebody who's in a bigger size, तो उनको body fit हो, because मुझे body fit shirts ज़्यादा पसंद है. Then I got this pant which is very nice and very comfortable. I am now thinking ये कपड़े कहाँ रखने वाले हैं. मेरा cupboard full है. Her team is rolling the eyes like खरीदने से पहले सोचना चाहिए था. Like balloon pants which are so cute and comfy, very harem pants like, and these are looking like a balloon fit on me. Nice crushed material, very soft, very comfortable. This is also from the brand 8 Seconds. Now this denim also, if you could touch this denim, you would like, it's so soft. I have not felt denim fabric this soft in India or even in like US and all. जब मैंने shopping की थी, very 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 soft denim fabric. It's from the brand 8 Seconds and this is a capri, so it ends like halfway. इधर आके end होता है. ये मैंने बुसान के road trip पे जाते वक्त पहना था with this oversized shirt which also I got from Busan, जो मैंने अब भी परसों पहना था तो धुलने गई है. But yeah, that this is also a fit that I got criticized for because आपकी height की jeans नहीं है. I was like, bro, are you dumb? Like मुझे क्या पता नहीं, दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे. Like मेरी height की jeans मेरे पास इंडिया में है और फिर भी अब ये fashion आ गया. अब मैं ये पहनूंगी क्योंकि ये इतनी comfortable fabric है ये denim की कि if you wore it you would not want to take it off. It's that comfortable. So yeah, I mean at the end of the day it's comfort and what I love. Then I got this booties, cute, very nice plaid skirt. I see myself wear this if I go to Scotland or any like not beach vacation, no, like Europe only, with leggings, with like tight those thermal leggings and a nice full sleeve top. It looks so nice. Now coming to my favorite brand Charles and Keith. Last 2 महीने में मैं 2 बार सिंगापुर जाके आई हूँ एयरपोर्ट पे. तो Charles and Keith आपको पता है at this point my audience knows Charles and Keith कहाँ से खरीदना होता है. सिंगापुर को जा रहा होता है तो क्या बोलना होता है, सिंगापुर से चप्पल लाओ, बैग लाओ, चार्ल्स एंड कीथ से लाना. तो मेरी बहन ने वही किया क्योंकि इस बार डिज्नी के लिए गई थी तो मैं भूल गई उसके लिए कुछ भी लाना. उसको मैंने पूछा स्किन केयर चाहिए, बोली नहीं. कपड़े चाहिए, बोली नहीं. उसको सिर्फ चप्पल चाहिए थी. 4 जोड़ी चप्पल मैं उसके लिए लाई हूँ फ्रॉम चार्ल्स एंड कीथ. लेट मी फर्स्ट शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट एंड देन हर ट्राइंग इट आउट. First this one, you know I have this in white. If you've seen my Singapore haul, I got her this in this contrast color. A very very nice comfortable base of this and it's a उसको ना पीछे से ऐसी वाली चप्पल लगती है जो पीछे से सिक्योर हो. मैं उसके लिए ये वाली व्हाइट चप्पल लेके आई थी which is why I didn't get her that also in white color. मैंने उसको वीडियो कॉल किया था. Everything is by her choice and luckily it's fitting. उसने मुझे 38 बोला. Usually we used to buy her 37. I think नहीं फिट हुई ना, ये चप्पल से मारूंगी देखो. बट लकीली उसको सब फिट हो गई. तो 4 जोड़ी चप्पल मंगवाई मैडम ने. तो ये नेटेड ऐसा है, वो ऑफिस जाती है उसको लगता है एकदम फॉर्मल वेयर चप्पल. एंड दीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. आई डिडंट ट्राई देम, आई जस्ट बॉट व्हाटएवर शी वांटेड. एंड देन दिस वन ऑल्सो शी रियली लाइक. ग्लैडिएटर फिनिश बोलते थे इसको. पहले ये बहुत ट्रेंड में हुआ करती थी. द पीछे साइड ऑफ दिस इज अ लिटिल एक्सटेंडेबल. अगेन सुपर कंफी. शी लव्ड दिस द मोस्ट. इट वाज अ फेवरेट पेयर ऑन वीडियो कॉल एंड व्हेन शी ट्राइड इट आल्सो इट्स अ फेवरेट पेयर. एंड देन शी गॉट दिस सेम वन जो मेरे पास भी है बिकॉज फॉर हर इवेंट्स एक्सेट्रा. मैंने भी अपने लिए लिया था तो मुझे पता है ये कंफर्टेबल है तो आई वाज लाइक यही वाली ले, यही कलर में, बिकॉज उसको ये कलर भी चाहिए था. सो नाउ वी आर ट्विनिंग विद दिस. सो दिस इज एवरीथिंग आई गॉट फॉर Sabbu. I got mummy the same chappal that I have. Literally, oh, this chappal is so. हम सबके पास ये चप्पल है at this point. I have this in white color. Mummy has this in white color. Sabrina has it in contrast color. Sharon got it for herself in white color. Sharon got it for her sister Merin also in black color. But Merin को हुई नहीं तो Merin ने अपनी friend को बेच दी. So this was the whole story of this chappal. This is how comfortable this chappal is. If you see it in Charles and Keith, if any relative is going to Singapore and you don't know what to buy this chappal. It is comfortable. Okay, I wear it to office every day. Okay, this one we bought before we went to Korea at the Singapore airport because it would go with a lot of outfits. Outfits planned तो थे नहीं तो we just got a pop of color. Very nice. I love it. It's so comfortable. also एक पूरा दिन मैं चली हूँ इसमें and मुझे बिल्कुल भी दर्द नहीं हुआ. आपको पता है मेरे पैरों में मुझे एक्जिमा का प्रॉब्लम है तो अगर uncomfortable चप्पल पहनते हो मुझे बहुत दर्द. In fact, all of us, mummy, me and Sabrina cannot do uncomfortable slippers. I तो have big feet because I'm tall, but even sensitive skin. And mummy and Sabrina also, if they wear uncomfortable चप्पल उनको कौन हो जाता है. तो हमको बचपन से ही प्रॉब्लम रही है चप्पलों की तो हम बहुत पर्टिकुलर है हमारी चप्पलों के साथ, तो इसलिए हम एकदम सोच समझ के एक दूसरे के लिए चप्पल लेते, कभी लेते ही नहीं एक्चुअली. एंड दिस वन इज कंफर्टेबल, लुक्स गुड, वेरी नाइस कलर. आई रियली लाइक दिस, एक्चुअली वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट पेयर्स ऑफ फुटवेयर नाउ. Last pair of footwear is already a little dirty because I'm wearing it to office every day. It's basically that same chappal जो अभी हम सबके पास है, but in the open slider variant because sometimes I'm just not, मेरी पीठ में इतनी ताकत नहीं कि मैं बेंड होके वो लॉक लगाऊं, तो मुझे बस पैर घुसाना है जाना है. तो this is that chappal in dark brown color. Really nice, looks great on my skin tone and yeah, nice. I'm wearing it to office every day. It's very dirty right now. Then everyone loved this pair of chashma on me. Everyone has been asking on the internet कि कहाँ से लिया, कहाँ से लिया. Got it from that Troubadour, वो जो रात को खुली रहती है वाली दुकान on Hongdae district. Very cute. It's literally like रस्ते का माल वाला quality, but उनके पास इतनी variety थी और ये मैंने पहना इतना अच्छा लग रहा था तो I took it. One thing about me is I don't check prices when I don't know how it was cheap only. I'm sure it was cheap. Pooja had paid the bill for that night, so it was under a certain budget. Then I got this cute belt after the day was over, which would have looked perfect with my outfit had I had it when the day was going on. But now I will have to wear it with some other outfit here in Bombay and make use of this beautiful, very cowboy aesthetic, vintage looking belt that gives my, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है जापान में कोई war पे जा रहा है इंसान. It's very nice steel and brown color with this chunky detail on the belt hook, and this is from this brand called New New, जो उनका बहुत पॉपुलर ब्रांड है. उधर बहुत बैग्स और बेल्ट्स वगैरह थे, आप बहुत इजीली बहक सकते हो ऐसी दुकानों में क्योंकि बहुत ऑप्शंस थे, बट मैं नहीं बहक रही थी क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत बैग्स. ओके, टाइम फॉर सम लग्जरी. आई गॉट दिस डिजाइनर ब्रांड that has been very viral lately. It's called Gentle Monster. You know, I had this entire phase where I was into sunglasses. I love some good designer sunglasses, but मैंने वो बीच में बंद कर दिए थे खरीदना क्योंकि मैं घुमाने लगी थी. मेरे गुची घूम गए, मेरा एक और ब्रांड वाला घूम गया, तो फिर मैंने बंद कर दिया खरीदना. बट अब मेरा वो चुल वापस आ रहा है क्योंकि अब बैग्स बहुत हो गए, तो अब कहाँ खर्चा करना है? सनग्लासेस. Gentle Monster is a Korean brand. It is affordable luxury. It is not expensive at all. This one pair was 140 euros, comes to around 15,000 16,000 rupees. I got 2 pairs for myself, wearing this every single day. It's so nice. I really do like it. Really like full black tinted. In fact, I wore it in Dubai and इसका जो UV protection है काफी अच्छा, because दुबई की धूप बहुत ही ज्यादा आंखों में लगती है. So it's very good UV protection. I love how this frame looks on my face also. It's like, I don't know if it's a designer brand or a luxury brand. It's a brand. It's like Jacquemus in bags. It's like that. So they're known for, they actually gotten viral because of their store experience. Their store experience is really unique. They have these big like ऐसा बड़े props बने हुए उनके shops में, और like Reeth doesn't usually look at shopping stores. He's not a shopaholic. But सिंगापुर में उनकी दुकान देख के ये क्या है, मतलब उनकी दुकान ही ऐसी है कि it will catch your eye. And even I didn't know of Gentle Monster when I saw that store. Then I saw it online and then Pooja said मुझे खरीदना है because it's a Korean brand. I made the correlation that their store experience is such that it's catching everyone's eye. So that's how they've gone viral lately. It's quite a catchy store experience, and buying from them at the airport was also a beautiful experience because they also have this technology with which they make you try and they'll fit it to your face there and then. उन लोग वहीं पे गरम करते हैं चश्मे को और उसको आपके फेस पे मोल्ड करके देते हैं. तो अगर आपको लूज होते हैं चश्मे यूजुअली, मुझे वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट काफी लोगों को मुझे पता है कि उनका फेस छोटा है, उनको चश्मे फिट नहीं आते बराबर, तो वो आपके फेस पे मोल्ड करके देंगे, which I found so unique. And they're also very popular for this. Gentle Monster Bold is another one of their variant, and they're popular for this, retro Hrithik Roshan from Koi Mil Gaya wala vibe wala chashmas. What a cool freaking case. I mean, look at this case. It's so nice. The one I got from here is very similar to a pair I used to have from Gucci, which I lost in my US trip. So time to unbox. I was waiting only to open and start wearing. This is why महंगी चीजें ना पहन लेनी चाहिए क्योंकि हम रखे घुमा देते हैं. Look at how freaking nice these look. So nice. Oh my god, this was actually a little loose for me and she fitted it to my frame. It has a silver detailing here, so silver I don't have. It has pink tint. I used to have pink tint Gucci's which I lost. So now I have these so nice color. I got this roundish frame, not the cat frame. And I really like the case also. Actually, it's quite a heavy frame. इन लोग ये नहीं देते क्या कपड़ा? नहीं, कपड़ा इसमें क्या है फिर? ये क्या है? कपड़ा ही है. नहीं, ये तो वारंटी का है. ओह, ये है ना कपड़ा. देखिए, चश्मे का ब्रांड कपड़ा नहीं देगा इतना. Yes, there is kapda also. Okay, y'all, I've come a little closer because I'm gonna show you my jewelry, my food really quickly because this video is already so long. Got some 7-Eleven chopsticks, like silver chopsticks. Love eating with chopsticks. Actually, obsessed. अब मैं chicken chili वगैरह सब कुछ chopsticks से खा रही हूँ. I have chopsticks from Japan, so I just had to get chopsticks from Korea as a souvenir. Got some cute panda socks for my aunt Larissa. She loves panda. I get her socks from everywhere I go to, so I got this for her. Then I got these cutesy things. They are basically like, what is this, like hand wash करते समय अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, तो you wear it ऐसा एंड अपना मुंह धो. मैं हमेशा धोने से पहले तो भूल जाती हूँ कि इंसान इतना थक के काम पे से आता है, उसको मुंह में पानी डालना होता है, तो थोड़े याद रहेगा ये सब पहनने. ये सब चोचले में खरीद के लाई हूँ. Just think how much I must be using with my lifestyle, but they're so cute. If I do videos, I'll wear it now, so you should know I have it. I also got, like, Reet will see this and he will disown me because I got Labubu shape. Labubu and flower wala. I should have given this to someone else because Reet hates Labubu. He knows what all demonic things happened in our life after Labubu came, so so that also I got. Then I got cute bag charms. Wait. These are all the bag charms I got. You know my favorite ramen of all times, which is literally what we survived on in Korea, is the Buldak pink ramen. Love it. So I had to buy a bag charm. कौन सी bag पे डालूंगी I don't know. This went on my Dior. It's Toothless. One of my favorite Disney movies is How to Train Your Dragon. It's one of the first Disney movies Reet and I watched together. So had to put this on my Dior. It looked really good with my Dior. Then I got this cute little pink thing. I don't know what it is. It's just cute. I will put it on any bag. And then I got Miffy. Sabrina and I used to watch Miffy and Friends so much growing up, and so had to get Miffy. She doesn't like bags. She's a very little girl, so she doesn't like bag and all these cute things. She's grown up for it, you know. I am younger than her, so she doesn't like all this. Otherwise, I would have given it to her. Then I got this cute hairband, which I also wore in Busan. It's lace. Hairband culture is also massive. उधर ऐसी accessory की shops में ना तुमको ये सब बहुत मिलता है. Like this cute blue hairband, which will also look great when I go to Europe or on beach holidays. Got a red one, and then I got this silver rhinestone one also for my dresses and stuff. आजकल मैं बाल curly रखती हूँ ना, तो hairband is great to push your hair back because after day one of curls don't look good in the front, so it's good to just push it back. Then I got this simple brown satin one to do my skincare and stuff. It's really nice and sleek. Got some claw clips, can never go wrong with them. इतने तो बाल भी नहीं है, but ये बड़ी cute सी claw clip है, and got this in blue color. Reet also really likes jewelry. I don't know if he's going to wear this, but I just picked it up for him. I think this one, when I sent him picture, he's like, I'll disown you. So I got it still because I don't know if he'll wear. But ये star तो वो पीछे रख सकता है. Otherwise, if he doesn't wear, you know whom I'll give this to? Mally. Mally is coming back to India, so I'll give this to him because Mally loves jewelry. Again, if these rings don't fit Reet, give it to Mally. I hope Mally's not watching. So that time I didn't know he's coming back to India, Mally, when I was in Korea. But I got him silver rings. Reet doesn't wear rings as such. I don't know if he'll wear, honestly speaking. But this is me trying to buy him things to get him to wear them and become little high maintenance. And then I got him this I'm sure he'll wear. He loves like wrist में पहनने के लिए चीजें, तो it's like an orange thingy. Again, not sure इसकी wrist पे होगा क्या, हो जाना चाहिए, हो जाएगा. Then I got this cute white bow. It's like a bow clip, so cute. Looks really nice when you wear dresses. Oh my god, my haul is unending. At this point I'm like बहुत ले लिया. Cute earrings. Look how pretty are these. There's a crescent moon with danglies, and then पीछे के hole में usually मैं gold वाले पहनती हूँ, तो फिर उसके लिए I bought this ताकि जब सिल्वर पहनो तो सिल्वर के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. मेरे पास नहीं थे, और फिर ये क्यूट ब्लिंग बॉक्स से खरीदा ये सब मैंने. एक्सेसरीज की तो आपको उधर इतनी दुकानें मिलेगी ना, मतलब हद पार दुकानें मिलेगी. क्यूट सा एक डॉग बना है इस पे, नेकलेस पे. तो सिल्वर एक्सेसरीज इज ऑल्सो, दे आर वेरी बिग ऑन सिल्वर एक्सेसरीज. सो आई ओनली गॉट सिल्वर. आई डिडंट गेट गोल्ड फ्रॉम देयर. You do get gold, but I didn't get because I have a lot of gold. I got these silver hoops from H&M, very pretty. And then I got this thinking I will wear. I think this was from the Troubadour wala dukaan only. It's a black this. It is reminding me of Moana because Moana का जो वो symbol है वो ऐसा ही है same. तो मुझे उसकी याद है इसलिए मैंने खरीदा. मुझे लगा मैं पहनूंगी but नहीं पहना. And then this black chain वाला tennis bracelet for Reet. Again उम्मीद है कि वो पहनेगा. नहीं पहना तो अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. Then I got more chopsticks and ramen chammach for mummy for her content. It will be really nice for her to have aesthetic take wooden like stuff from there. This is my jannat. I got buldak sauces. I love buldak ramen. My favorite indulgence when I'm PMSing. I eat so much. Like 1 a month तो I'm allowed to eat, but ये कोरिया के ट्रिप में बहुत खा लिया, तो अभी शायद मुझे allowed नहीं है खाना. But I got sauces like got the pink sauce. Reet will love this. He also loves pink ramen. Then 2x spicy, 4 whatever hot वाला, and then I also got this is also 2x spicy. तो मम्मी के घर और मेरे घर दोनों में distribute होगा. Got some gochujang paste to make my food interesting if mummy gives me boring food, and kimchi which I'm loving from Korea Mart. Eating kimchi every single day. It's great for health also, by the way. You have probiotics and stuff. Then I got some ube chocolate because ube is going viral. It's everywhere, and over there in South Korea everything had an ube menu. Like जो restaurant जो कैफे में जा रहे थे हमको ube मिल रहा था, तो आई वाज चल ट्राई करके देखते हैं कि चॉकलेट कैसी टेस्ट करेंगे. मैंने ऑनेस्टली नहीं ट्राई किया अब तक. ये पर्पल कलर की ऐसी दिख रही है. ना सॉरी ना छी बहुत मीठी है. ये बराबर नहीं बनाया इन्होंने, क्योंकि उधर जो उबे मैंने ट्राई किया उधर की उबे मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. मैंने फ्रेंच टोस्ट खाया, बहुत टेस्टी था. इट गोज रियली वेल विद वनीला, एंड आई हैड उबे ड्रिंक इन कॉफी बीन. बोथ वर रियली नाइस. विद कॉफी इट गोज रियली नाइसली. नाउ आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड. दिस इज माय बचपन गाइज, माय होल बचपन. माय नानी हैड अ दुकान. ओके, शी हैज अ दुकान, छोटा सा दुकान व्हिच शी हैज. उसका बड़ा वर्जन था. तो नानी शी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कैंडी एंड वी यूज्ड टू गो डाउन एंड रॉब नानीज कैंडीज एंड लाइक ईट इट. एंड शी यूज्ड टू हैव दिस पॉपिंग वंस, यू नो, वो जो मुंह में जाते पट 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 होती थी वो वाली. This is that in a stick form. I didn't realize it. We just, Sharon was picking this up for a family from Korea Mart, and then I was like, मेरे घर के लिए भी ले ले. So she just bought it. When I ate it, I was like, oh my god, this is all popping candy in a stick form. It is delicious. It's yummy. It's like basically like Pocky के shape में अंदर ऐसा है. And I'll eat one and show you because why not? Indulge while you can. So this is what it looks like. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah, it's so cute. It's basically wrapped in like chocolate and wafer. And this is like jannat after that ganda chocolate. It's so good. I keep eating it.
You're sweet tooth as well.
मेरे को धक्का नहीं लगना लेफ्ट से. This is really good. I should stop. I already ate one after lunch. And it's really nice because इसके अंदर एक है ना, like Pocky. You don't end up eating a lot. You can have one, keep it. You should have one and keep it. Last item of my haul is tteokbokki. I didn't get a chance to eat tteokbokki in Korea, so we got this from Korea Mart, and I will eat it when my mother makes it in Mom-Eat-It. And that is it for my. Oh, now I can rest in peace. भाई बहुत ही shopping कर लिया. Alright you guys, that was my very wholesome Korea haul part 2. This was everything I got for my mummy, Sabrina and me. Clothing, fashion, food edition, and Reet of course. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments आपको कौन सी चीज सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी. And if you did enjoy this video, तो please thumbs up देके subscribe कर लेना. Subscription is absolutely free on YouTube. You do not have to pay for it. So please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and it does really help with the algorithm. Overall ऐसा पैसे वैसे नहीं मिलते हम लोग को कुछ आप subscribe करते हो तो, but मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो सब्सक्राइबर काउंट बढ़ते हुए देख जो बहुत टाइम से बढ़ा नहीं है. सो इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. फॉर टुडेस वीडियो सासको शॉट गोस टू इज़्ज़ा फातिमा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग एंड सपोर्टिंग माय चैनल. इफ यू वांट टू पार्ट नेक्स्ट सासको शॉट, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying #Sara Squad and you get chance to part of my next video, Sara Squad shout out. As always, bye guys, love you. Mwah.